In this video, let me show you how to fix PayPal payment not received. The first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to verify the sender if the sender has used the correct email address or the phone number that you have added in to your PayPal account. If the sender has not used a registered number according to your PayPal that is connected to your PayPal, then they must again cancel the payment and then resend it, adding in the correct address. Now, if this is not the solution for you, this may also be the case of PayPal holding your funds. So PayPal may hold funds for up to 21 days. In these situations, you'll need to go into your activity section and then click on the transactions tab right here and then click on the get your money option. This way you'll update this activity and you'll be able to change the status to completed. Now, if the payment or the transaction was made to a bank, it may take several business days. Also, you'll need to verify your bank details and check with your bank as well. If this transaction was made through family or friends, these payments are usually instant, but if not instant, you'll need to check the sender's payment method if it was successful or not. So whatever your case may be, if you follow these steps that I just told you, you should be able to solve the PayPal payment not received issue. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.